So over the next week, I decided to dedicate my channel to doing some cleaning. So that would include your shop, your home, your vehicle, and the job site.
I'm gonna clean up this town. Good, you can start by sweeping the floor.
So today we're gonna focus on cleaning your vehicle and your home. So right here we have the Ryobi 1+ HP 18-volt Swift Clean mid-size spot cleaner kit. So we're gonna open this up, test it out, so you can see how this works. All right, let's see what's inside. So first of all, right here, we have the battery that's included with this kit right here, the 4 amp hour high performance battery. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on a charger right away. And then speaking of chargers, this is the one that comes with it. All right, right here is a silicone scrub brush that attaches. And right here we have some Ryobi Oxy cleaning concentrate, 6 ounces. This will get you started, but they do sell more of this at Home Depot. I'll have a link down below. And that's it. Okay, so this has a flip down handle, nice for transporting it, and then we don't need it, you flip it down. So this item right here, this is what you use when you're all done to clean it. So right here is the bristle brush, but like I mentioned, if you want to switch that out, and if you want more aggressive clean, this is the silicone one. Those, I guess, are a little more stiff. So yeah, that just snaps in place like that. This would probably be good for like the set-in stains, but if you're doing like some fresh spill cleanups, then I'm gonna guess that this right here is gonna be the one you're gonna wanna go to. So I'm gonna leave that one in there to start. Then if you look around on this side right here, okay, that just clips on. So this is a little crevice tool right here. So this looks pretty easy. So if you wanna switch out the ends, see that clips in place, you push down right there, that comes out. Take the little crevice tool right here, see how that's nice and narrow, that'll really get into some tight spots. And that just snaps in place, locks in nice and solid. And if you take that off, then you use this at the very end, and this is what you'll use, how's that work? Yeah, I guess just like that. So then you would depress that, hold that there for about 30 seconds, and that will flush the hose out, because a lot of times if you don't flush the hose out and you're cleaning up some nasty spills, eventually this thing's going to smell. So you want to make sure when you're done with each one to read through the instructions about the maintenance you want to do and just thoroughly clean it, let it dry, and then store it. We're going to get started. Directions for best results: pre-treat stains, shake the bottle well, and then 2 full caps per 18 ounces of warm water. And this right here is 18 ounces. And now this goes in this tank right here. All right, a little bit of water spill. I should be able to clean it up by just doing this. All right, go ahead and push that. Okay. I like it. This is not too loud. All right, so we're gonna just clean this carpeted area back here. So you can just see it's quite a bit of cleanup to do right there, but it shouldn't be too bad. So right now there's quite a bit of things in here that this should really be cleaned up first with a regular wet dry vac. So this is one that I've had for a while. I may have shown it on my channel, but I don't think I ever did a dedicated review. The 1 gallon Ryobi wet dry vac, and this thing is awesome. Very portable. I just have a little 2 amp hour battery in. Let's go ahead and clean this. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. And then when we're done, we're gonna see how dirty the water is. Go this way so you can see. So here we have the final results. I think that looks nice and clean, much better than before. So to take this off, you slide that forward, and then this just lifts out like that. Oh man, you can see that is dirty, quite dirty. Definitely did a good job extracting that dirt out of there. Here's my next test. I have this carpet square right here. It's fairly clean. I have the before on there, which means we're going to have to make it kind of dirty. So for this test, I'm gonna need some help. Let me go find some. All right, we're in luck. We have some help from Oakley and Leo. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get some paw prints on there, and we're gonna have to mix up some leftover potting soil, and we're also gonna pour some water on it, get it pretty messy, and have them hopefully step in that, and then step on this rug. All right, just poured some potting soil right there. Let's get a little water in there and stir it up. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty messy. Wow. We have some twice ground pine we'll mix in there too. All right, see if we can get Oakley to step in that. I'm gonna see if I can motivate you with some treats. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, now it's positive. That's good, you jumped in it. Well, we might get some of Leo's paw prints in there too. Come here. Oh yeah, Leo stepped in it. Okay, come here, Leo. Oh, don't sit. Oh no, you're sitting in it. That's not good. Come here. All right, Leo, this way. Oh, now we're getting somewhere now. Come here, Oakley. All right, I think Oakley and Leo did a great job. Please give them a thumbs up. All right, we're gonna do some cleaning. You can see they definitely tracked in some mud. All right, so right now, since it's not a set-in stain, we're just gonna start off with that brush right there. Hopefully that'll get it clean. So we're gonna just pre-treat this. I'm gonna turn this on and just spray some of this liquid on there. Give that a few minutes. I'm not exactly sure if that's what the instructions say, but that's how I'm going to do it. So the power button has a slight delay, so when you push it on, you have to just kind of wait a second like this. See? Let's go. A little bit of a paw print right there. All right, I think we got it. So if you have pets like me, I think you're gonna find this really handy for doing some quick cleanup on your rugs and your carpets. I like it. My next challenge is red Gatorade right here. So this area right here I cleaned. This area is completely dry. So we're gonna just pour a little bit over both sides right there. Let that set in a little bit. See, it's not soaking in as fast on that side right there. Maybe this has some kind of Scotch guard on it. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of work that in with my fingers a little bit. Let's just say we didn't get to it right away and kind of set in a little bit. All right, we're gonna pre-treat it. All right, let that sit for a quick minute. I don't know about this one right here. I guess I'm glad I didn't do it on my own carpet at home. All right, it's been a couple minutes. Let's see how it works. This is the afterward cleaning. I'd say it definitely did a nice job. I don't notice the red on there. I could go a little bit more on there, but it seemed to me like it picked it up. So I'm happy with that. All right, when you're done, the cleanup is very easy. You want to thoroughly rinse this out right here. So you just push that, take that off, grab this little piece that I was showing you, and that end goes in there like that. And check this out. Turn it on, push that. So now I've had a chance to test out the Ryobi mid-size spot vacuum. I definitely have to say that it passed all my tests. I'm really liking the fact that it's ultra portable. You don't need to bring a cord with you. Let's say you're gonna clean your car out. All you need is a battery like this right here. So please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Really enjoy hearing from you guys. And that's it for now, friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey Oakley, what do you think about that Ryobi spot vacuum? Let's So just want to say I appreciate you watching to this point, and if you want to continue watching, I have a playlist I made specially for you right over there that has to do with power tools and cleaning. And if you want to see some of my other upcoming videos that have to do with that too, because I have some more right there, you can hit that subscribe button.